Good morning, dear children. Hope all are fine and good health. Today we are going to see about the main points of the story, a triumph of surgery, and the character sketches. The character sketches are Mrs. Fumpery, Tricky, and Dr. James Harriet. First one, the main points of the story. Dr. Harriet was really worried to see the dog Tricky. He was very fat, his eyes were red and rheumy. Mrs. Fumpery, the mistress of Tricky, had been giving him malt, cold liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks every night. The next, Dr. Harriet found that the only fault of Tricky was his greed for food. The doctor advised Mrs. Fumpery to cut down his food rightly and give him exercise daily. Within a few days, the doctor received a call from Mrs. Fumpery. The next, Tricky was not eating anything and was vomiting again and again. He lay down panting and didn't go for a walk. Dr. Harriet suggested Mrs. Fumpery that Tricky must be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The poor lady almost fainted, but at last Tricky was taken to the hospital. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around Dr. Harriet, and Tricky looked silently at them lying motionless on the carpet. For 2 days, Dr. Harriet kept an eye on Tricky and gave him no food but plenty of water. Next day, the doctor was pleased to see Tricky jostling his way to his food bowl. No medical treatment was given to Tricky. Tricky's progress was rapid and he started running about the dogs, joining in their friendly barkings. The next point, Dr. Harriet informed Mrs. Fumpery that Tricky was out of danger and was recovering rapidly. Mrs. Fumpery was excited to hear the news and started bringing fresh eggs to build his strength. Even wine and brandy were given to improve Tricky's constitution. One day, Dr. Harriet phoned Mrs. Fumpery that Tricky had recovered and she could take him home. The next point, within 2 weeks, Tricky had been transformed into a flexible and hard muscle animal. When he saw his mistress, Mrs. Fumpery, he leaped and reached to her lap. Mrs. Fumpery thanked Dr. Harriet. Her eyes were wet and lips trembled. The last point, she called Tricky's recovery a triumph of surgery. The next, we are going to see about the character sketch. The first character is Mrs. Fumpery. Mrs. Fumpery is a fabulous, rich and resourceful lady with a large number of servants and maids. She is passionately attached to her little pet dog Tricky. She is much worried about Tricky's miserable condition. Tricky had become hugely fat and listless. She thinks Tricky to be suffering from malnutrition. So, she starts giving Tricky malt cold liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks every night. The doctor knew that Tricky's only fault was his greed for food. He advises Mrs. Fumbury to cut down food and sweets for Tricky. For Mrs. Fumbury, it was very difficult because she pampers Tricky like a spoiled child. Mrs. Fumbury is impractical but very compassionate and caring. She and her staff arranges all comforts, beds, cushions and toys for Tricky. She constantly inquires about his health from Dr. Harriet. She gratefully thanks Dr. Harriet for saving Tricky's life and calls it a triumph of surgery. Then Tricky. Tricky is a small dog. The only fault of Tricky is his greed for food. Overfeeding of sweets, cakes and chocolates make Tricky hugely fat. He becomes rheumy and listless. His tongue lolls from his jaws. The doctor advises Mrs. Fumbury to keep Tricky on a very strict diet and give him plenty of exercise. Tricky becomes a victim of overindulgence and overfeeding. Dr. Harriet's instructions are ignored. Tricky loses appetite and starts vomiting. Dr. Harriet suggests Mrs. Fumbury that Tricky be hospitalized under his observation for a fortnight. Tricky's recovery is amazingly rapid. He is not given food but plenty of water. After a few days, Tricky starts taking interest in his surroundings. He is transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled dog. Tricky so shows his love for his mistress by jumping onto her lap when she comes to collect him. The next, Dr. James Harriet. Dr. James Harriet, no doubt, is a competent veterinary surgeon. He is really worried about Tricky. He understands that the real fault of the dog is his greed for food. Dr. Harriet instructs Mrs. Fumbury to keep Tricky on a very strict diet. Dr. James Harriet is practical and pragmatic. He doesn't give any medical treatment to the dog. He feeds the dog with only water. His method works. The grateful mistress thanks Dr. Harriet and calls his feat a triumph of surgery. Dr. James is clever enough to enjoy the best of both the worlds. He is tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. It was a happy period for Dr. Harriet and his friends. He used to enjoy eggs for breakfast and wine and brandy for lunch. These are the character sketch of this story. Then it is a time to give homework. You have to read the question and answer the following. First one, short answer type questions. First question, why was Dr. Harriet worried about Tricky? Next one, what did Mrs. Fumbury think Tricky was suffering from in the beginning? Third question, what was Tricky's only fault? Was it responsible for his miserable condition? Fourth one, what instructions did Dr. Harriet give to Mrs. Fumbury regarding Tricky? Fifth one, did Mrs. Fumbury follow the doctor's instruction seriously? Why didn't she? The sixth one, why did Dr. Harriet receive an unexpected call from Mrs. Fumbury? Seventh one, what did the doctor suggest and why? Eighth one, how were the entire staff and maids busy in serving Tricky at home? Ninth one, why did the other dogs leave Tricky as an uninteresting object and ignored him? Tenth one, how did Tricky behave at the surgery during the first 3 days? Then 11th one, how did the word convalescing excite Mrs. Whimpery to build up Tricky's strength? 12th one, why was it a temptation to keep Tricky and as a permanent guest for Dr. Harriet? Then the long answer type questions. Give a character sketch of Mrs. Whimpery highlighting her foolish indulgence for her pet dog Tricky. Then second question, give a character sketch of Dr. James Harriet highlighting his common sense, practical nature and competence as a veterinary surgeon. Third one, the dog Tricky was a victim of overindulgence and foolish pampering of his mistress, Mrs. Whimpery. Comment. Fourth one, why was Tricky needed to be hospitalized and how was he transformed into a flexible and hard muscle animal? Then fifth one, how did Dr. James enjoy his best time while he was treating Tricky? Why was he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Before writing the answer, you have to revise the main points of the story as well as the character sets and then read the story thoroughly. Then only you are able to answer the question. Thank you, children.